So the Corvette won't start this morning. Put a noise light on the injectors and I'm not getting neither injector's firing this morning. So everything looks good, got fuel pressure, everything. I've tested everything. The only thing I even got it on a charger. I've tried to start it so much it ran the battery down, but thinking it's in the electronic control module. That's what controls the igniting the injectors. I'm not getting any fire to either one of them. Thinking it's in this electronic control module, which I just took out. I went online and started looking for them, and remanufactured. They're looking at $500 now. And called Cardone, the ones that remanufacture these. You have to take it down to an auto parts store they have an account with. They in turn send it to Cardone. Have it repaired. I have not gotten a price yet on sending this in. I did find one on eBay that was used. I think I'm just going to order that and put it in. Has a money back guarantee. See if I can get the injectors to fire and everything test out. That's one of the problems. So it's just a typical Crossfire. That's where I'm at this morning. But if I get it fixed, I'll let you know what goes on.